Hello BitDRT followers, welcome to our new technical analysis video for Ripple. As always, we will start with 4-hour chart, then continue with 1-hour chart of Ripple's price today. Having said that, let's start with 4-hour chart. Starting with 4-hour chart, we are seeing that after the cross move of 0.28, the price still continue to do this downwards move, and the next target will be next support line, which is 0.24745 around here. And if the sell pressure will show itself strongly, I mean if we will see a dump move after that support line, we can also see that 0.23330 around that level. But for short term, the price can want to balance at this area around 0.260-255. Because as we can see here at previous move of Ripple, the price used this area, and we will watch this area clearly at 1-hour chart after this one. But the main target will be these next support lines for me, and I can say that as long as the price stay under 0.28, we will watch the Ripple's price within this wide area between 0.28 and this green line, which is 0.19596. And for long-term expectations, if the price will keep going on within this channel, the main target will be 0.19695. It will be optimal price level for buyers of Ripple if the price will stay within this channel. And also we will use these two support and resistance level for analyze the short-term reaction of Ripple for balancing area or something else. So we are still waiting this continue of this downwards move until touching these support lines, and after that we will watch the reaction of this buy pressure, how strong will it be, and after that we will watch the also volume for taking confirmation of this current trend of Ripple. But now for us, for our expectations, this downwards move will continue until touching the next support line. We are continuing with 1-hour chart, and as we can remember this yellow rectangle, I drew this one also for previous 1-hour chart video, and we can use this rectangle for analyze the short-term reaction of Ripple's price. I didn't draw this rectangle for 4-hour chart because I wanted to show the minor expectations for Ripple. And with this 1-hour chart, we can also analyze the short-term expectations. And what we see here is after the price crossed this 0.270 upper boundary of this rectangle, we are seeing that the price getting this balancing area one more time, like this moves. And the next target for this channel, we can say that around 0.255-57 around here, and after that we can see probably an upwards move for short term, because I don't think that this upwards move will be high volume. If this upwards move will be with high volume, we can also see touching this upper boundary of this channel 0.26970. But I don't think that the buy pressure will show itself strongly. So my main expectation is crossing also this lower boundary of this rectangle, which is 0.255, and after that probably the price will want to touch 0.247-45 around this support level. So we will watch this lower boundary of this channel for short-term reaction of buy pressure, but probably we will see strong buy pressure at this next support line, and also we will see if the buy pressure will show itself from this support level, from this lower boundary. We will watch how strong this volume of this upwards move, and after that we will see the price will want to go the upper boundary of this channel, or it will want to cross this lower boundary downwards and for touching this the next support line. For short term we will watch these levels, and after that, after these reactions, we will update our idea for tomorrow's video. Thanks for watching us. This is it for today. If you like the videos, please don't forget to subscribe us. See you tomorrow for the next video.